Yay!
Hey there, and welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things real estate. Today's topic is flipping an investment property. Flipping is a real estate investment strategy in which an investor buys a property to renovate and sell it for a profit. Flipping investment properties can be a fast way to make money in real estate. To maximize your investment, you need a plan. Flipping involves buying a property at a discount, improving it, and selling it rapidly for a profit. Don't shy away from fixer-uppers, they're often the most profitable. Choose the perfect property, create a renovation plan, hire the right crew, and advertise the property for sale. Take your time choosing a property, make sure it's in an appealing location. Find off-market property through research and networking. Keep your options open and be patient. The most profitable assets are typically ignored or underestimated. Be sure to work with an experienced real estate agent. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more investment information.